Hey y'all, so in this video I'm just going to be washing my makeup brushes. So alright, good job Sarah, they can't see what that is. But those are 2 tins of the AOA Studio brush cleanser and my 5011 dirty brushes. That's not even all of them that I need to wash. But this right here is the AOA Studio. I think this is part of their Paw Paw collection brush cleanser. That scent is in Rose and they're each $1.55. That's why I think it's a part of their Paw Paw collection, because you know the extra money goes to charity, whatever. But here I am cleaning my nasty BH Cosmetics brush that I just that I use for bronzer. Can we like be honest in the comments? Like, it's okay. I'm claiming this as a very safe space. When was the last time you washed your makeup brush? Because I can't even tell you when was the last time I washed my makeup brushes. It actually, no, December, I think it was December. And that's probably why I have this massive pimple on my face right now. It will not go away. But no, Sarah, you don't want to clean your makeup brushes, so now look at you having to, you know, clean these and keep just and like, because I waited so long to go ahead and wash my makeup brushes, I know these are stained. Like, you gonna see at least one of the brushes that I honestly don't even use a lot. It's stained, but look at that. That one's like low-key stained in the middle though, but this camera's not good at zoom or like focusing. So yeah, this is also another BH Cosmetics brush that I use for blush specifically. And I love me some blush. I'll be packing on some blush, so yeah. But I have been using this soap for a good while, anytime I remember to wash my makeup brushes. And I actually really do like it. And I like the fact that it is like an aluminum tin, so that you could just reuse a tin for something else, which I absolutely love. What am I going to reuse it for? I'm not sure yet. Don't ask me so many questions about it. But if you're someone who, you know, wants to be more into like sustainability, that's cool. I mean, the problem is that the soap inside does come wrapped in plastic, which kind of sucks, but it's okay. This brush right here is also another BH Cosmetics brush. You can tell I really do like BH Cosmetics brushes, but I don't even use that one all that often, but it is very dirty. And you can see that this soap does do a pretty good job of sudsing up when there's not a lot of makeup on the dang brush itself. But it does a pretty good job. I'm not gonna lie. Later on in this video, at some point, you are going to see, but you see that hand soap right there? Yep, I do be using that sometimes. Actually, for a good while, I used to only use that hand soap. Look at that. Look at that. It's like all clean. It's so cute. Now, this one is an AOA Studio brush. This is their flat top kabuki brush. I did a review on like this whole brush line thing. I'll leave it up in the card, but look at that. Look, 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 look. It's so, like, why? Girl, it's about to get worse, too. It's about to get worse. Hold on. Give it a second. Give it a second. Oh, that's not. Look at that. Look at that. See. Damn. Wow. Why? Just why? Don't I just. Come on, Sarah. Just like every week, you just wash the brushes you use. You don't even wear makeup a whole bunch of time. Okay, see how I'm using like the hand soap? I like using it to really make sure that I've gotten like in there and cleaned the brush, because usually when the brushes are densely packed, it's kind of hard to get in that middle and really like clean the inside. And of course, if you haven't washed your makeup brushes in a very, very long time, it's just layers upon layers upon layers upon layers of makeup. Yes, I have done the olive oil trick as well, but my problem is of like disposing the oil afterwards. It's like, I really don't want to pour this down the drain, but it's like I kind of have no choice, so I don't really do that anymore. I might try it again so I could figure out a better way to go ahead and dispose of the oil. But this brush right here is like my favorite like foundation brush, which is not a foundation brush, is the e.l.f. powder brush, the flat top one. I love it so much because it's flat top. It's great. I might retire it though, I'm not gonna lie. But if y'all looking for a really good flat top makeup brush, that's a really good one. That's super cheap. Also, the brush I was previously washing, yeah, that was pretty good too. And then look at this one. Oh my sweet. And I wonder why my skin isn't doing the greatest. Well, also because I just be forgetting to do my skincare routine on a regular basis. So, um, you know. But yeah, this soap, to be honest, on its own is like really good. It's just, the heavy duty I might need, I use hand soap. But I mean, hey, if you're looking for a very cheap cleanser, because there is of course that the BH Cosmetics, no, the beauty blender one that a lot of people actually do like, which I am going to clean some sponges with this. Oh, here's actually an eyeshadow brush. I actually don't remember what brand this eyeshadow brush is from. Think it's BH Cosmetics, but it also could just be another random brand, but I don't really remember. But yes, also I think at this moment I had to realize that, like, yo, a lot of your brushes are just going to straight up be stained, because I think I was doing something with like red or something with this eyeshadow brush that may be stained. So yeah. Oh, this brush right here, it is the e.l.f. like massage thingy. I don't really remember what it's called, but it's from their like Beautifully Precise line. An odd shaped brush, not gonna lie, and it's unfortunately all white. So and I actually don't use this brush a lot. Like, I used to use it for bronzer for like a little bit, but since it's such like an odd shaped brush and like the handle is super short and blah blah blah, it's just not really, I don't know, feasible, I guess, for me to use on a day-to-day thing. I don't know, but look at me go. I'm just really trying to get it clean because it's so pretty when it's so clean, but it's like, girl, it's a mess. I'm trying, y'all. I'm trying. Look at that. I think this is where I kind of just like said, you know what, that's it. Oh wait, no, I actually used a little bit of hand soap on it just to try. I used to have a brush mitt. I have no idea where it went. I also used to use a pot holder from a 99-cent store, a silicone pot holder to clean my brushes. I'm not gonna lie, the mitt and that brush holder thing was actually really good, but I have no idea where either of those are. Oh, here are the sponges. So these are both e.l.f. sponges. And I keep them those cute little rose gold holders that you see back there, also from AOA Studio. But yes, oh, this is like, this brush cleanser is really good for sponges. Like, really, really good for sponges. So if you just wanted to just get a solid sponge just for a solid soap just for your sponges, and want to save some money, yeah, get this one. It's really good. And like, it doesn't take long for me to wash my sponges, because for some reason I feel like it takes me a long time to clean the sponge, like with anything else besides like the e.l.f. sponge cleaner, brush cleaner, solid y'all know I did a video on that one too, like a long time ago. But yeah, look at that. That is going, it's gonna come out so nice and so clean and so clear. Like, yeah. I don't know why I got so quiet just now. I kind of got a little bit mesmerized in this. I wanted to go ahead and like try to wash all of them, but you know what? I did not wash all my brushes. I'm gonna just be honest with y'all now. So yeah, I'm gonna go. Look at that. I like basically cleaned it all out. But yeah, I'm gonna go. The other one was, what was the other scent of the other one? I actually forgot. Rose or something like that. But yeah, I'm probably gonna have to use that one next. But also clean your sponge, clean your brushes, clean your sponges. Try to set some time, like every week or bi-weekly. Do it, because I got this nasty pimple that I don't know when it's gonna go away, and I'm scared and stuff like that. But anyways, I hope y'all like that video, and like, if y'all next time want a time lapse of me cleaning my brushes, then I'll do it. I just don't want to do it anymore. Okay, I'm gonna go. Bye.
Comigo do fuzil no seu brilhinho, eu vou te fazer gozar. Roça comigo do fuzil no seu brilhinho.